inside. Prosper has it blocked by Lane. Second one gets the home court roll. 2 from 2.
What a way to get the first 2 baskets at the new home. Willie Clayton, 2 free throws.
Prosper too strong. Rebound picked up by Thorsby. And he gets the roll. Navas works on Bankovic. Little jump shot from Callum Jones. Prosper looks for 3. He lands the 3. 4 seconds left on the shot clock. Thorsby looks for 3. He gets it. McCall. Jones back out to McCall. McCall looks for a 3. He gets that. Crawford. A little bit of a fumble. Out to Thorsby in the corner. This time the 3 attempt no good, but Prosper gets the rebound and puts it away for 2. Jones. Jones goes inside. A little reverse layup. Of course, Worcester got a new coach this week. Tony Gabaletto replacing Ty Shaw, who's still recovering from his heart problems. Combs instead drives to the basket, lays it out. McCall. Davis with the rebound, puts it away for 2. Davis to Bankovic. 3's no good. 2 put away by Wanless. McCall. He looks for 3.
Strong move from Jordan Whelan there, and he met the man mountain that his team won this.
Bankovic
Nice
drives,
try.
gets the 2. Feeds Navas. Navas with the 2. Quick transition. Navas with the 2. Ball stolen by Clayton. Decides not to go all the way to the basket, or does he? He does. And he gets the 2 points. Leisurely movement down court. Shall I go to the basket or not? He does.
Very graceful.
Combs once again feeding the ball down court quickly for the Worcester Wolves. Combs felt he was fouled. Giants quickly down court, and Severa, he gets the 2. Combs. Fouled by Clayton, gets the 2. Severe. And Worcester Wolves take the lead again. Prosper sets the screen. Mike McCall feeds Lane. Lane steps inside. Skip pass into the corner, no good. Clayton gets the rebound. Clayton this time drives to the basket. Crawford dishes out. Prosper not able to collect it. Giants keep the ball in. Mike McCall over the baseline, but his feet were inside. He kicks out to Bankovic. Bankovic nails another 3. Bankovic feeds Clayton inside. Clayton off the glass for a little bunny jump for 2. Severa from the left-hand corner. He's short. Davis with the rebound. McCall. Callum Jones. Navras backs up. Bankovic gets the 2. McCall quickly feeds Jones. Jones under pressure. Clayton gets the rebound, puts it away, and also puts 2 Worcester Wolves players on the floor. McCall gets the steal. Combs drives. Combs. Little floater from McCall. Comes all the way to the basket, bounces off.
Takes Clayton out.
Clayton. McCall, another little jumper. Navaras working Bankovic again. Out to Thorsby. This time the three is good. Combs. Prosper able to hang on to it despite the close attention of Bankovic.
There you go, Mike McCall comes back with another floater there.
Callum Jones, long two. Long three. 4-point lead for the Worcester Wolves. Just over 2 minutes remaining. Quick move down court. It's Bankovic. Bankovic looks for three, goes to the right. Clayton gets the rebound and puts it away for two. Bankovic feeds Clayton. Clayton. Severa. Crawford. Crawford has to take a step back. McCall. He gets three. Davis. McCall. McCall, little jumper. Wanless. McCall. Clayton fed inside, gets another two. Combs. Combs feeds Crawford. Crawford hits a three. Takes Wolves back out to a 2-point lead. McCall. He answers with three of his own. Thorsby.
Oh, that's a
nice little fake.
Yeah.
Turnaround jumper, gets the two. Giants come away with the ball. Bankovic. McCall dishes out to Jones. Jones comes back in front. Bankovic gets two. Navaras gets easy two. Crawford. Fed off to Prosper. Prosper slams it home. McCall's two successful. Crawford. McCall. Screen Clayton. Able to get a long two. Navas. Can't get to the basket. Thorsby looks for a long three and gets that. 90 seconds remaining. Bankovic inside to Clayton.
Oh, nice pass.
Crawford. Crawford again. Looks to get to the basket.
That's a nice move.
Gets the two.
Strong move.
McCall. McCall again. Looks for a long three. It's no, it's off the board.
Wow.
McCall. McCall looks for a long three.
And
gets it. Navas. Prosper. Make that 20. 5 seconds remaining. Bankovic. Doesn't get it. We're going to go to overtime. Decides to drive inside. Able to get the ball. Second attempt. Thorsby fakes. Drives to the basket. Gets two. Wolves by 4. Just under 4 minutes remaining. McCall. He looks for a long two. McCall. This time does get to the basket and gets the two. Prosper thinks about going baseline. He loses control. Gets past Clayton. Crawford. Thorsby gets another three. Wolves up by 5 points. 1 minute 40 remaining. McCall looks for three. He gets the three and will get the extra one. Misses the extra attempt. Severa kicks out to Prosper. Prosper looks for a long three. Well short. Misses the next one though. Second one no good. Wolves have the ball. Giants steal it back. McCall. Looks for three. It's tipped. Tipped away. It gets another chance. He goes for it. It gets in! He ties the game with 0.9 seconds remaining. Inbounds. Combs looks for three. It's tipped away. Sam Lane. He hits three. Combs drives to the basket,
nice
spin move.
Nice move.
Bankovic. Easy two. Combs goes for a jumper. Prosper gets the rebound, puts it away for two. Lane. Bankovic loses control. Prosper doesn't get the two. Thorsby gets the tip in. Wolves by one. Fed down court
nice
quickly. Clayton with a two. But doesn't get the second. Ties the game though. Bounces off Clayton. Clayton gets a hand to it. Jones' little jump shots, no good. Clayton gets a hand on it. Brings it back in. Throws it onto.
Intelligent play. That's a clever play.
Throws it onto Prosper's legs. It goes off his legs out of bounds. A Giants ball with Clayton. Bankovic. McCall looks for a jump shot. Gets it. Combs, spin move. He's fouled.
Oh, that's a
goes in. Worcester Wolves by one. Crawford nearly has it knocked out of his hands. Combs looks for an outrageous three. It's short. McCall closely guarded by Crawford. Every step he takes. Lane looks to drive to the basket. Feeds off to Clayton. Clayton gets a little jump shot for two. He's slowing things down due to exhaustion as much as anything else. 3-point attempt, no good. Giants come up with the ball. 28 seconds remaining. Giants by three. That's 50 points for Mike McCall. Thorsby gets the ball. He goes to the basket and gets two. Oh. Clayton gets the ball. Second one, no good. So, Giants up by one. Combs drives down. Blocked out by Clayton. Knocked down court by Callum Jones. Giants come out with the win by 1 point. Crowd on their feet. Players on their knees.
Yeah.